Hello, everyone. Let's learn something super important today. It's all about have got and has got. What do they mean? And how do we use them? We'll learn how to make positive sentences. Then in the next video, we'll do negatives and questions. First, let's understand the meaning. If I want to say, I own or possess a book or a pen, we use the verb have got. So we can say, I have got a book. It means that the book belongs to me. Let's look around us and see what we have. I have got a phone. Also, I have got a laptop. So, anything I own, I say, I have got plus the thing. Now, if I'm talking to you or to a group of people, I'll say, you have got a pen. You have got a car. And if we are talking about us, we have got a house. Or talking about other people, they have got a dog. So, the rule is we use have got with I, you, we, they, plus things we own. Examples: I have got a car. You have got a car. We have got a car. They have got a car. Easy, right? But wait, what if I'm talking about one boy, one girl, or an animal? Can I say he have got? No, not this time. With he, she, it, we use has got. Look at this boy and his bag. I will use has got and say he has got a bag. And I can also use his name instead of he, so I will say Mark has got a bag. If I am talking about one girl, I will say she has got a bike. I can also use her name instead of using she. Jasmine has got a bike. If I am talking about an animal like the cat, I will say it or the cat has got a small nose. So we use has got with he, she, or it, then mention the thing that is possessed. He has got two eyes. She has got two eyes. It has got two eyes. Let's summarize everything. We use have got with I, you, we, they. For example, I have got a phone. We use has got with he, she, it. For example, she has got a cat. So now you know how to make a positive sentence using have got and has got. In the next video, we'll learn how to make negative sentences and questions too. Don't forget to like and follow so the video can reach more people who are learning English from scratch.